Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, where today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to fix the problem with having .mov files not working for you. It's like every single time that you launch Sony Vegas, which I'm going to launch up my Sony Vegas 18. It's doing its own thing. Make it full screen. Don't know why this is so small. Increase the size by a ton. Then we go and we go to downloads and we see that this is a .mov. If I right click, go to properties, .mov, or open it, it tells me that it doesn't know what it is. It tells me it's unsupported. Go to preferences here, and the plugin is installed. It's activated, and then if I type in quick play, it's right there. QuickTime is right there. So yeah, guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to fix this, but before we get into this, I really appreciate if you guys would please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more. Also, if you don't have Sony Vegas, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get Sony Vegas in this video, and if you don't want this version of Sony Vegas, I have a video on how to get Sony Vegas 18 in the cards, and if you want to learn how to get better at Sony Vegas, I have a video on that. Anyways, let's hop right into this video. Alright, so you might be asking, why the heck am I teaching you guys how to get Sony Vegas 17? That's what I'll be teaching. Now, if I go up here with the link I have down in the description, do this. Should take me to a Sony folder, Sony Vegas inside of it, and then I just hit download a zip. And now it downloads. So yeah, guys, we're going to wait for it to download. It should be around 700 megabytes. Alright, now we have it downloaded. I'm now just going to extract files here. Right there. Alright, now this is going to be the Sony Vegas 17 folder. We open it up. We first go to setup. Yes. English. And before you guys say if I could just turn it into an MP4 and do that, it doesn't work. I tried. I wanted to do it simpler, but this just seemed like the easiest way to do it. Plus, you get Sony Vegas 17 with it, and then if you don't want 17, there's a video on how to get it on 18. So yeah, we're doing it this way because this is the way I know how it works. That's all. Okay, it has successfully been installed. And we go to activate. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Install. Finish. Alright, so now if I go to my desktop, it's right here. There's 17. Keep it in mind, 18's right here. This is 17. 18's not open at the moment. That's all. So 17 is launching, but right here. Alright, so now if I hit open, and then I go to quick access, this is a QuickTime. It reads it as QuickTime. I open it, and guess what? It works in Sony Vegas 17. But let's just say I don't want to use 17. And like even to show you it works, it's right there. It's transparent. You see it. How to get it to work? You go to File. We hit Render As in Sony Vegas 17. I tried to do this on 18. It doesn't really want to work for you, sadly. So yeah, I already have this template saved as Dep, because that's what I named it. So what we want to do is we want to hit Create Custom Template. I have mine at 60 FPS, 1080p, non, 1000. Make the video uncompressed. And make sure that this box is clicked. Render Alpha Channel, uncompressed video formats only. So it matches with this. So we hit OK. Name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it 4 because I already have 2 others that I was testing this out with. And there's even QuickTime right there. QuickTime works in 17, but for some reason it does not work for you anymore in 18 for me at least. It works for my friends though, so this is just a workaround. And even we got this now running. Now this is running at 17. While this is loading, I'm going to load up 18. It's going to be Sony Vegasception right here. Click this, open the newest thing. Because this is, yeah, you can definitely tell this is the .mov since it's saying it's unknown. We click back to 17, hit open in folder. Then we go back to 18, do this, close this, open this back up, and then right here, drag it onto here. Click this, 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 and this. And there you go. After all of that, after installing Sony Vegas 17 and then doing the conversion through 17 to 18, we now have a working AVI folder that is a transparent. And just go to video and audio. Let's drag this up and let's move the audio here, and let's import a video. What's even a video? Extra. That's, I guess, I don't know. And there you go. You got a video, and you have the .moth here. This is a .moth / .aiv, also known as Windows Video. So yeah, it's not gonna be as like clean as QuickTime, but at least it works for you guys. And yeah, guys, basically this is how you get Sony Vegas 17 and how you can fix your .moth file. Anyway, guys, I hope this video helped you out. If you have any problems with this, please let me know down in the comments. I'll help you guys as much as I can. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. See you guys later.